In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A36 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now hit this microphone at the bottom left corner. Select while using the app in the pop-up. Agree in the second one. And start typing. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. If you want to switch from Samsung voice typing to Google one, click on this gear at the top, scroll down, select voice input and hit Google voice typing. Then go back to click on the same microphone. And start typing again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!